turns to the right here. Okay, that looks like Orangeburg pipe. You see the lumps in the pipe itself? Those lumps are blisters where the Orangeburg pipe swells over time. You see a bump there on the right, that's the Orangeburg bump. You see that lump?
Yeah.
That's the paper that's bulged, and you see it's broke right there.
Uh-huh.
So anytime they put a snake in there, they're going to hang up on that. See, there's two more bulges, left and right. So it's in poor condition. There's another bulge busted open. They're like blisters. There's another one on the right's busted open. So, you know, if you have any problems whatsoever, you're going to have to be careful about snaking this if you're going to keep it. See that there? I couldn't even get my camera through that little... You can tell I rounded it out. I rounded it out a little bit as I was coming through. I'd call that in very poor condition. But it is open, and it is only for the kitchen line. So there's no paper or waste going down there. So that's a good thing. So it's not an emergency to replace it, but eventually if you start having backups, you'll have to replace it.